The name of this program is Major Appliance and Refrigeration Technician at Orange Technical College. The way our class usually runs is students come in the morning and we have instructional time, and then the students come in to the shop and they go to work on appliances. This program is designed to teach a student major appliance repair industry as far as being a technician. The certifications that are available are the OSHA safety certification. Also, there's an American Heart Association certification that a student obtains, and there's the National Appliance Industry that has their certifications that's available. Careers are very plentiful. There are companies out there that are just waiting on fresh technicians to come into the field. The end goal of this program is to get students trained, certified, and to flood the appliance repair industry with good technicians.